This is Dian's Defense Scope. Exercise Balikatan 25 represents a significant demonstration of Allied readiness, interoperability, and joint force projection, conducted annually between the armed forces of the Philippines and the United States military. This iteration highlights an expanded scope of operations, with particular focus on distributed maritime and littoral operations across the Indo-Pacific. Central to this effort is the deployment of U.S. Army CH-47 Chinook helicopters from the 3rd Battalion, 25th Aviation Regiment, 25th Combat Aviation Brigade, 25th Infantry Division, operating out of Itbayat Airport in the Batanes region. Located in the northernmost province of the Philippines, Itbayat serves as a key strategic point within the Luzon Strait. Its proximity to major sea lines of communication and contested regional waters makes it a vital staging area for air mobility, logistical sustainment, and rapid response operations. Conducting aviation missions from this austere location presents both logistical and operational challenges, from limited refueling infrastructure to unpredictable weather patterns and minimal ground support. The CH-47F Chinook is designed for precisely this type of mission. As the Army's primary heavy-lift transport helicopter, it provides the capability to move troops, ammunition, vehicles, and humanitarian supplies directly into theater with minimal ground footprint. With twin engines, tandem rotors, and advanced digital avionics, the aircraft can lift over 10 metric tons of cargo internally or externally and operate in extreme terrain and confined landing zones. In support of Balikatan 25, CH-47s have conducted a series of tactical airlift missions across the archipelago, including troop transport, equipment delivery, and aerial resupply. Flight crews execute day and night operations, often under low visibility conditions, reinforcing their ability to operate in degraded environments. The missions are designed not only to validate aircrew proficiency, but also to stress test joint planning, communications interoperability, and logistical coordination with Philippine forces. This year's operations include complex air-ground integration drills involving both U.S. and Philippine units, coordinated insertion of combat elements, and dynamic sustainment to forward operating positions. Every lift, every landing, every sortie conducted by the Chinook crews is a practical rehearsal for real-world contingencies, from large-scale combat operations to humanitarian assistance and disaster response. The use of Itbayat Airport as a forward arming and refueling point further demonstrates the expanding capability of U.S. and Allied forces to establish operational reach in remote and underdeveloped locations. It enables faster repositioning of forces and enhances the strategic agility of the joint force. Operating from such a location underscores the importance of mobility, speed, and precision in modern warfare, capabilities the CH-47 is specifically engineered to deliver. The cooperation between the U.S. Army and the Armed Forces of the Philippines throughout Exercise Balikatan reflects a deepening military alliance based on shared security objectives. Aviation operations, such as those conducted by the 3rd Battalion, 25th Aviation Regiment, form a critical component of that partnership. By training shoulder to shoulder in the most demanding conditions, both forces increase their capacity to respond as one unified effort in times of crisis or conflict. The presence of the Chinook in the skies over Itbayat is not just symbolic, it is operationally decisive. It demonstrates that the U.S. Army remains capable of projecting combat power at the time and place of its choosing, while also building trust and operational synergy with key regional partners. The CH-47's role in Balikatan 25 exemplifies its value not only as an asset of tactical lift, but as a platform of strategic messaging. As Exercise Balikatan 25 progresses, the message is clear. The United States and the Philippines are committed to a free and open Indo-Pacific, and they are prepared to act together with speed, reach, and resolve.